Good morning, fishermen. Today's Thursday, March 30th, 2017. We're over here at Santa Ana River Lakes in the back at Chris's Pond. Mount Lassen trout truck just showed up with those rare exotic beauties, lightning trout. Surprise! We got more lightnings going in. Remember guys, we have 24-hour fishing next weekend. Friday and Saturday. Fish overnight, fish right next to your campsite.
Every Thursday as usual. Here we go. Surprise, surprise, we got some lightning. We got a lot of nice fish here. Here we go.
At the boat dock now, we got more lightning Sierras.
Alright, here we go, first tank, here at the boat dock. You see it people, lightning trout.
Alright, they're moving the truck up into the next tank.
Alright, here we go, tank number 2 here at the boat dock. Here we go, tank number 2. It's a big fish!
Alright, next tank hooked up.
Got the thumbs up from the captain. Here we go. I see a lot of lightning here. A lot of lightning. Whoa, goodness.